Hi and welcome, my name's Ashley Jessen from LearnCFDs.com, and today what I want to talk about is the best free Metastock data. Where do you find the best free Metastock? Today we're going to take a look at the top 3 sources and to see if free data is actually safe. So we all know that we can get free data into our Metastock, but we do want to know, is it safe and are there going to be problems with that? Now personally, I love using Metastock. I've been using Metastock since the year 2000. I actually used to work for a company called Metashare International, and we used to teach people how to use it. This is back in the version 6.5, I think it was, back in the DOS days where we used to manually load it up. We used to load up all the indicators and we used to load up a little bit of a black box system for the people that we were actually training at the time. So I love using Metastock, and I've got version 14 at the moment. I haven't upgraded to the last one. I really should, but I haven't just yet. But anyway, I'm running version 14 at the moment, and I do love looking for uptrending stocks. I love to run some scans. I have a number of scans that I run on a daily basis, and I have a number of instruments that I actually have a look for as well. So yeah, just flicking through stocks is really fun to see what's going on, and my scans usually look for uptrending stocks that have pulled back a little bit. That's one of my favorite scans. And as far as short selling, I like looking for downtrending stocks that have rallied a little bit and are currently overbought. So that's a little bit of an insight into what I like, but let's get back into the information here. So Metastock data, free Metastock data, is it worth it? So what you need to ask yourself is, what is your goal with trading? Because if you're looking to backtest and test your trading systems, reliable data is so critical for what you need to do. So if you need to rely on backtested results in any way, because you're going to be going live going forward with that system, then you want to make sure you've got completely accurate and reliable data. And this is one of the problems with free data. There's plenty of it available, and I'm going to show you a couple of examples, but what you want to make sure is that you've got clean, accurate, and fully adjusted data. So what does this mean? So let's have a look firstly at some of the problems that you can encounter when it comes to free data. Now you will come across errors. So some of the stock splits, as an example, we put one of the examples on LearnCFDs.com with short selling, in that one of the stocks actually had a 10-for-1 stock split, and it was 4 to skew from memory. It went from $60 down to $6, so it was a 1-for-10 stock split. So you got 10 times as many stock, but the stock price was now $6. This is going back some time. Now of course that was reflected in a lot of systems with free data, that there was a massive gap from $60 straight down to $6, and of course all your indicators are mathematical formulas based off the price and or volume of the market that you're actually trading. So as a result, all your indicators are skewed, all your trading system results are pretty much null and void and totally useless. So what you need to make sure is that your data is clean and adjusted, and all of this does take a lot of extra time. You see, the staff need to do this, so they're the ones that need to do that. So that's why paid data is usually the best, but you can get free data, of course. So here's the types of things that you need for your supplies to update on a regular basis, and all of this does take time. So delisted stocks, stock splits, dilutions, mergers, code changes, name changes, deferred settlement history mergers, and capital returns, just to name a few. So hopefully it's starting to paint a picture for you now that free data, well maybe something's not quite right here. Alright, so no worries, I still want to give you the free stuff. This whole presentation was about free Metastock data. So there are a couple of places you can go, and one of them is ASXhistoricaldata.com. So that's one of them. They actually have a few different things here, and they actually do say on here, I like the transparency with these guys, because they do say they do not clean and adjust it. If you want clean and adjusted data, you need to pay for it and you need to subscribe. Another example is EOD Datacom. Okay, so they have a lot of exchanges, and the great thing about these guys is they have a lot of formats that are available, not just for Metastock, but Amy Broker and other versions. You can just put it in Excel if you want, if you're comfortable with doing that. But of course, this presentation, we're talking about Metastock data. So EOD data is another one. Now the third option is to find a free trial of Metastock. So this is only good if you don't have Metastock already. So if you don't have Metastock, then you can find places that give you maybe a free trial, or in this case what you can see here is try Metastock for 3 months for the price of 1 month. So for about $59 you're going to pay for 1 month, but you're actually going to get 3 months, 2 extra months for free. You get 3 months in total, but you only have to pay for 1. So that's a pretty reasonable deal. So I did want to show you that there is a possibility and there is an option in order to get free data, but you do need to check the reliability of that. You're going to be back testing your trading systems and you need confidence in your data. So in order to get confidence, you really need to go with the best. Metastock is the best program. Since 1993, it has won the best technical analysis software under $1,000 every year since 1993. It really is quite amazing, actually. So in any case, if you would like to get 3-for-1 free trial of Metastock, you can go to this affiliate link here. I will tell you this is an affiliate link and we do earn a small commission when you go to this link. However, you will get 3 for the price of 1. So it's a pretty good deal. However, I just wanted to flag up front, we're always very transparent here, that we will earn a commission if you do go ahead. It's not a big commission, but as you can appreciate, it takes us a lot of time to put this site together, put the information together. Even just one blog post, you're looking at a minimum of 3 to 5 hours of updating it and creating it and coming up with the ideas around it, let alone videos like this, the rendering and so on. So we would love it and would be very grateful if you were to use the link here. That's learncfds.com/Metastock-3-for-1, as you can see there. So go ahead, have a look at that. Jump onto that page there, see if it's for you. We'd love you to take advantage of it. And of course, all the best with your trading. Thank you.